of the curve, what are you going to do? You get these two numbers which are given in the x-axis. So that is what? That is 4. Have you seen? So before you even progress, you say y is equal to, so you say x plus a, x plus b. This is what you need to do. Have you seen? So you want to find the equation. This is what you need to do. So this is what we need to do. So how can we undo this one? So have you seen? This is what? This is 3. So when 3 comes here, this is negative 3. So when negative 3 comes here, the sign will change. So and when negative 3 comes here, the sign will change. So this is y is equal to x. It is what? Negative. So when it comes here, each one becomes positive. You do this. This is x. This is 4. So when 4 comes here, that is positive. So when it comes here, it is negative 4, like that. This is what you are going to do. Have you seen? This is what we need to do. So after you do this now, the next thing is for you to expand. So once you reach here, you need to do what? Expand. We need to expand. Hope you have seen the way I've answered this one. That is 3, negative 3. It comes here, positive. That is 4. When it comes here, negative. This is what you need to do. Then you expand this part. You say y is equal to, have you seen? You get this one. This is x. So you just get x, multiply it with everything that is this side. So you say x multiplied by x minus 4, like this. You say plus 3 multiplied by everything that is this side, x minus 4. Have you seen? So you get x multiply with everything this side. You get 3 multiplied with everything this side. This means that you can start with this one, you write it here, and this other one, you write it here. There is no problem. You still get the same answer. Have you seen? So the same way I've done this one, that's how you need also to be doing. So let's make sure we follow this procedure, we understand it very well, so that any question that we are going to encounter in an exam, we'll be able to answer it. So let's make sure we follow these procedures. So you start now multiplying. So you say y is equal to, have you seen? X times x, it is x squared. X times 4, so minus 4x. This is what you are going to do. 3 times x, that is plus what? 3x. 3 times negative 4, that is negative 12, like this. Have you seen? This is what you need to do. So this is what you need to do. Then you say this is y is equal to x squared. Negative 4 plus 3. You forget about these variables. So negative 4 plus 3. This is here. Have you seen here? Negative 4 plus 3. You forget about these x, the variables. So negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 1. So it is what? Negative. I can't say negative 1x. I'll just say negative x minus 12. Have you seen? Minus what? 12. So this is the equation of the straight line. So I just conclude. So numbering, very important. Therefore, the equation of the straight line. So the equation of the straight line is, so the equation of the straight line is y is equal to x squared minus x minus 12. This is what you need to do. Have you seen this one? This is the equation that you need to follow. So let's make sure we follow this equation. We see how we need to do it. Have you seen? This is very simple. I believe everyone is able to do this. We are able to do this. Have you seen? We check now the other question. So I'm just doing this for the sake of revision so that we just revise through. So this is the equation. Have you seen the way I've answered it? This is how we need to answer it. We move to these other questions. Equation of the line of symmetry. So we find the equation of the line of what? Symmetry. Let us find the equation of the line of symmetry. So how can we find the equation of the line of the symmetry? What we are going to do is this. For us to find the equation of the line of symmetry. And have you seen this other question? This is the minimum value of y. So we also want to find the minimum value of y. So how can we go about these two questions? The first thing that should come to your mind, find the turning point. Find the what? Find the turning point. So let us find the turning point. Do we have the equation? Yes. The equation which we've just from solving. So we found the equation. So this is the equation. The equation is what? So this was part A. So you go to what? You say, okay, the equation is what? Y is equal to x squared minus x minus 12. Have you seen? It is like this. So we find the turning point. We find the what? The turning point. So let us find the turning point. X is equal to, this is the first thing that I told you that you need to be doing. Negative b over 2a. Have you seen? This is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. After you do this, you say x is equal to, so x is equal to negative what? Negative b. What is b? So you say a is 1, b is negative 1. The coefficient there is negative 1. What is your c? Your c is negative what? Negative 12. That's what you are supposed to do. So negative b is negative 1. So you say negative 1 over 2. What is your a? Your a is 1. Like this, you do this. Which is equal to 1 over 2. Have you seen? So 1 over 2 is the value of what? X. Let us find y. We find what? Y. So I get the equation y is equal to x squared minus x minus 12. Like this. I find what? I find the, what am I supposed to find? I find the y. X, I know x is this one. 1 over 2. Y is equal to 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 2 minus 12. This is what I need to do. This is what I need to do. So with this part now, I say y is equal to 1 over 2. What is 1 over 2 squared? It is 1 over what? 1 over 4. Minus 1 over 2 minus 12, like this. Have you seen the way I've written? Then you find the lowest common denominator. There you put 1. What is the lowest common denominator there? It is 4. So y is equal to, you do this. What is 4 into 4? 4 into 4, it's 1. 1 times 1, it's 1. Minus, this is what you are going to do. So once you do here, this into that, it is what? 2 into 4, 2. 2 times 1, it is 2. Minus, this into 4. 1 into 4, it is 4. 4 times 12, it is 48. You do this. Have you seen? What is 1 minus 2? It is negative 1 minus 48. Over what? Over 4. Which is equal to? So, negative 1 minus 48. Same signs you add. So we add 49. Then we maintain the sign negative. Over what? Over 4. This is the value of what? Y. Negative 49 over 4. So after I do this now, the next thing that I need to do after doing this, so I know that, okay, turning point now is equal to, turning point is equal to what? What is x? 1 over 2. That is x. What is y? What is my y? My y, negative 49 over 4. Like that. That is the what? The turning point. So I told you that with the turning point, this one here is called the what? It is called the equation of the line of symmetry. This one here is called minimum value of y or maximum value of y, depending on the question. So, depending with the question which you are given. So, we look at these questions which we are taught to find. We are taught to find the equation of line of what? Symmetry. Okay, good. Equation of line of symmetry. I've just told you that this is the equation of the line of symmetry. So, x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the answer. I just say x is equal to this one. I go to C. I move to C. C, what am I taught to find? The minimum value of y. Minimum value of y. Okay, very simple. Minimum value of y. I've just told you that you get that one. So y is equal to negative 49 over 4. These are the answers. Then you are done. So this is what you are supposed to do. So like I've said, the lesson for today is very simple. A lesson for today is very simple. This is what we are supposed to do. So this is what we are supposed to do. Very simple, very simple. So this is what we are supposed to do. This is what we are supposed to do. So let us follow these procedures. Let us see how far we can go with these questions. So let us see how far we are going to go with these questions. So thank you so much. Let us cooperate. Let us see how we are going to answer the exercise that I'm going to give you with the understanding that we've gathered so far. So let us work on the assignment now. Let us work on the work that I've given. Let us work on the work that I've given. Thank you so much. So this was just a conclusion. We do something like this where we are not given the equation, so that if it comes in an exam, we are going to know that, okay, with this one, it was not given the equation and we did it. So we've done where we are given the equation and where you are not given the equation. So these are procedures that we need to do. Let us do the exercise. Thank you so much.